In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for real life. Start by opening your browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, take a moment to notice the main layout because it will help you stay oriented as you work. You will typically see areas for your sources, a central chat space, and a panel for creating outputs. Next, create a fresh notebook. From the dashboard, click the button that says plus, create new. This gives you a clean workspace for a specific topic, like a class, a project, or a personal goal. Keeping one notebook per topic makes your results more organized and easier to trust later. After that, upload your sources. In the pop-up window, choose the material you want. Notebooklm to use, such as PDF documents, YouTube links, or files from your drive. Once you confirm, these will populate the source panel on the left. This panel matters because it shows exactly what Notebooklm is allowed to reference. A helpful tip is to only include sources that actually belong together, so the answers stay focused and consistent. Now you are ready to analyze. Move to the chat panel in the center and type a clear question about your sources. For example, you can ask for a summary, request key takeaways, compare two ideas, or pull out specific details. Notebooklm will respond with an answer that includes clickable citations. Use those citations to jump back to the exact place in your sources where the information came from. This is especially useful for studying, reviewing meeting notes, or double-checking important facts. Once you have useful information, you can generate polished outputs. In the Studio panel on the right, click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview. These options create instant content based on your sources, which can save time when you need to present, review, or share information in a different format. Finally, whenever you get an answer you want to keep, click Save to Note on that response. This helps you build a curated set of notes inside the notebook, so you can quickly return to your best insights without re-asking the same questions. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.